Hey guys, I am Ajay and welcome to English with Ajay Raj. In today's video lesson, you are going to learn 10 words of advanced English. But before moving ahead, first let me tell you the importance of learning new words. So the importance is that the more words you have, the more you can express your ideas and thoughts. So if you are interested in expanding your vocabulary, please continue watching this video. What does the word foment mean? To produce, to provoke, to forgive, to forget. Come on guys. Option B is correct. To provoke. He was arrested for fomenting a riot. They were accused of fomenting violence. Foment means to provoke. What does the word sluggish mean? Very sharp, very sweet, very slow, very big. Yes. Option C, very slow. The game picked up after a sluggish start. A heavy lunch makes me sluggish in the afternoon. Sluggish means very slow. What does the word cuddle mean? A special rite, a special occasion, a special offer, a special hug. Yes, 5 seconds remaining. Option D is correct, a special hug. Come here and give me a cuddle. I'll try to give him a cuddle. Cuddle means a special hug. What does the word crawl mean? To cut, to break, to try, to creep. Option D is correct. To creep. My baby has just started to crawl. The snake crawled into its hole. Crawl means to creep. What does the word repercussion mean? An outcome, a deal, a problem, a solution. Repercussion mean. Option A is correct. An outcome. His resignation will have serious repercussions. Any decrease in tourism could have serious repercussions for the local economy. Repercussion mean an outcome. What does the word ecstatic mean? Very happy, very good, very big, or very hot. So the answer is very happy. The new chief minister was greeted by an ecstatic crowd. His wife gave birth to their first child and he was ecstatic about it. Ecstatic means very happy. Number 7. What does the word tame mean? To try something new, to bring under control, to cancel something, to disagree with something, with someone. Option B is correct. She'll need to tame his temper if she wants to succeed. The government needs to do something to tame inflation. Tame means to bring under control. What does the word reiterate mean? To create, to delete, to repeat, to rethink. Reiterate mean. Option C is correct. To repeat. He reiterated that he had never seen her before. The professor reiterated the important points of her lecture. Reiterate means to repeat. Number 9. What does the word sack mean? To allow, to run away, to fly, to dismiss. Yes, answer it fast. Sack mean. Option D is correct. He got sacked from his last job. Any official found to be involved would be sacked on the spot. Sack means to dismiss. And the last one. What does the word intricate mean? Duplicate, original, complex, or easy? Complex is correct. This puzzle is very intricate as it has 1000 pieces. The TV mechanism is extremely intricate and difficult to repair. Intricate means complex. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video lesson. If you learned something new, make sure to like, and to learn more you can subscribe to our channel English with Ajay Raj. My name is Ajay. I thank you so much for watching.